In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the pattern setting here on our drum machine. So to do that, we're going to click pattern, well, leave A on, but click pattern 2. If you noticed, everything disappeared. If I click back to 1, everything reappears, but the one constant is the drum sound stay the same. We still have the kick drum, the snare, and the hi-hat sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to 1. I am going to copy it. So right click right here. So if you're on a Chromebook, hit Alt and then click your trackpad, or you can use 2 fingers at the same time to click your trackpad to get this menu. Copy pattern. Now I'm going to click on pattern 2 and then right click again. This time paste pattern. So now I have the same pattern as 1 in pattern 2. Now I'm just going to change it slightly so we can have some kind of different sound happening here. Let's take a listen. Again, I'm going to turn off the pattern so it only plays what's in our display. Not quite sold on that just yet. Maybe this. Alright, I like that as a separation, so I'm going to turn our track pattern back on. I'm actually going to pull this back so it's only 3 bars, and then double click this area. Now I've added A2 to our timeline. What I'm going to do now is optional, but I like to do it. I'm going to right click again, come down to color, and just change the color so I can visually see a difference. I like to do that. That's an optional step that you don't have to do. So if I start this from the beginning, it's going to play pattern A1 first, and then on bar 4, it's going to play pattern A2.